so many choices.
Oh.
Whoa, look at that!
Oh, hey. How's it going? I won't cost a single cent.
Yeah, I've got expensive tastes.
Well, I'm the doll for you.
Wow, you're perfect! Mom, I want this one!
Are you kidding me? Do you know how hurtful that is?
Ah! This is the one!
Okay, we'll take it.
Wow! Thanks, lady! Come back anytime!
Let's go, honey. The car's waiting.
Wow, there's so many toys. Hello.
Shh! I'm counting money!
Oh, sorry. I'll be quiet. Which toy should I get? Ooh, this is nice. How much? I can't afford that.
I'm rich! Woohoo!
Can you help me? What can I get for this?
Huh? Let me see that. Is this some kind of joke?
Hey, that was mine! I can't believe you did that. This is my pocket money. I've been saving this. Hang on, something's in here. It's a doll! And it's free! Wow, this is my lucky day! You're coming with me! I'll put this right here. There's one more thing. This shelving unit is so cute. It'll look great in the bathroom. Here's a little motivation. Welcome to your new home! You'll be so happy here. You must be hungry. Delicious chocolate spread. Open wide. Oh no! What have I done? I got some on your dress. I'm so sorry. There's only one thing for it. We'll need to clean you up. Wait a second. Something isn't right. We don't have a tub. We need to fix that. Aha! Money solves every problem. I need an express delivery. Wow, that was quick. Wait, this is a strange-looking tub. I'm so confused. Oh, you open it. Ah, this is more like it. It looks perfect. I'll put it in the bathroom. Ew, it's so chic. Let's fill it with water. It's not relaxing enough. I know what it needs. Cute love hearts. Okay, your bath is ready. You're gonna love it. Wow, are you seeing this? You're not looking your best. You're so dirty. It's not coming off. Hang on. I'll scrub harder. I think I made it worse. What am I gonna do? I think I have an idea. Come with me. Wow, that bath looks good. She looks like she's enjoying it. Can my doll get in the tub? What? No way! Get out of here! She can be so mean. Don't worry, I'll fix this. There must be something I can use. Give me a second. Aha! A shiny gold coin! Oh, wow, thanks! Let's see what we've got. Not a lot. I'll empty it all out. I need a better look at it. This is what I've got to work with? This won't do. Oh, what's this? This could be useful. Yeah, I can do something with this. Let's do this! I'll start by folding the paper into a triangle. I'll create a crease. Now I'll make a smaller triangle at the bottom. I can fold the bottom section up. I'll do the same on the other side, just like this. I'm glad I took those origami classes. They're coming in handy. I just hope I don't make a crane. Okay, where was I? I was folding paper. I'll fold the sides in. That's perfect. Then I'll open it back up. I think that's all the folds I need. Now I can start to assemble it. I'll pinch the sides in and create a bathtub shape. Wow, it's really taking shape. There's one more side to do. I'll need to stick it together. I'll rub a glue stick over it. Don't want it falling apart. That should be enough. I can finish it now. I can put that to one side for now. I've cut a long strip of card. I'll roll it up. I'll make sure it's nice and tight. Now I'll bend it slightly. This'll be the faucet. That's it! The tub's done! What do you think? I know, it's great! Let's try it out. This seems like a good spot. It's gonna be nice and cozy. How's the water? Wait, where are my manners? I'll give you some privacy. Oh, you're finished. You're clean. You look amazing. And smell great. We did a great job. Ready to do this? Ladies, start your engines. 3, 2, wait for it. 1, go! Vroom, vroom! This is crazy! no, she crashed! This is intense. I can't look away. It's a race to the finish line. Woohoo! You won! You're the greatest! Can we go have a race? What? No! Do you even have a car? No. That might be a problem then. We never get to have fun. And now I'm out of snacks. But this gives me an idea. I better get to work. I'll cut open the box. Now I'll fold it over. I'll cut a large hole in the middle and smaller holes on the side. Now I need to paint it. I'm gonna use this bright pink. It'll look really good. I'll brush it onto the box. I want an even coat. That's just what I want. Now I'll let it dry. There's more work to be done. I'll cut half circles from a piece of card. I folded the edges over. These will be my wheels. I'll fit them into the holes on the side. Then I'll finish decorating the car. This'll be the hood. We're gonna need lights. We'll need to see where we're going. I've painted popsicle sticks pink. They can go on the hood. I made seats from a piece of foam. And this'll be the windshield. Let's roll! We've got a race to win! What is that? It's my doll's car. Sure, if you say so. This won't be much of a contest. My car is turbocharged. Well, I have a stick. Go, go, go! Wow! Look how fast the car is going! Wow! What a rush! Don't touch me! Wait. What is that? Well spotted, kitty. You did a great job. Wow, a trash doll. It's the thing of dreams. Do you just hang around the garbage? Look what I found. Call that a doll? This is a doll. Wow, she looks like a princess. But my doll has a house. Beat that. Oh, you sweet, sweet girl. You need to see this. It's got all the latest gadgets. My doll is so happy living here. It's better than your cardboard house. So it's like that, huh? Bring it on. Oh, I will. Let's do this. Welcome home. It's a bit of a tight squeeze. It's great being rich. We can buy the best things. Ugh, it's so unfair. I mean, look at your clothes. They're dirty and torn. I wish I could get you a nice dress. This dress is beautiful. You deserve it. Now she's just showing off. I know what to do. I can use my sweater. What are you doing? We'll pretend we didn't see that. I have a great idea. I'll put my doll inside the sleeve. That isn't quite what I imagined. Maybe if I wrap it around you. No, that looks worse. This isn't working. Huh? Hang on. What's that? Maybe I can use this plastic bag. Yeah, this'll do the job. It's time for a makeover. I'll cut the bag into a dress shape. Then I'll place it over my doll. I'll tie it around the middle. Wow, it looks amazing. You should be on the catwalk. You're so glamorous. Ava, check this out. What? Are you kidding me? This can't be happening. It's an emergency. Right on time. This is just what I want. It's made from real gold. Wow, it really suits you. You look like a movie star. I love it. Look over here. I think you're gonna be jealous. Wow, it's so pretty. We should have a party. What? No, we party with the elite. Whatever. This is so hard. Decisions, decisions. Which shoes should you wear? They need to match my shoes. Those ones? No. We'll need shoes for you. Do you like my socks? Ignore the giant hole. That's kind of embarrassing. I hope no one saw that. I'll quickly hide it. That's better. But we still need to find you shoes to wear. I'll have a look in this drawer. Maybe there's something we can use. Ugh, spiders. Ugh, they got me. Achoo! I need to clean more often. Well, there's no time like the present. Wait a second. I've got it. I've drawn an oval on this sponge. Then I'll cut it out. I'll do the same with different colored sponges. This'll be so colorful. Now I'll stack them on top of each other. Just like this. I'll glue another piece of foam around it. Okay, try them on. Wow, they're the perfect fit. Let's take them for a test drive. Girl, you are looking good. Stylish and practical. I want a pair for myself. Hey, Ava, look at these shoes. I I can't decide. What? Oh, wow. They're much better than these old things. What was your favorite craft? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one.